Looking for a powerful, chemical-free way to deep clean your home using just water? The Amazon Basics Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is built to tackle dirt, grease, and grime across multiple surfaces without harsh chemicals. Right away, the biggest highlight is high-pressure steam cleaning. With a 1500W heating system, it produces hot steam that helps break down grease, stains, and bacteria, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and tough cleaning jobs. Another major advantage is the chemical-free approach. It uses only water, which makes it safer for homes with kids, pets, or anyone sensitive to cleaning products, while still delivering effective sanitization. The 51-ounce water tank is larger than many compact steam cleaners, giving you longer cleaning sessions without constantly refilling, great for whole room cleaning. Versatility is where it really stands out. It comes with 22 different accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and extension tools, so you can clean floors, tiles, grout, upholstery, glass, and even car interiors with one device. Usability is straightforward. Once heated, it delivers consistent steam pressure, and the attachments make it easy to switch between different surfaces quickly. Now the honest part, this is not a fully cordless or ultralight unit. You'll need to manage the cord, and while powerful, it can take a few minutes to heat up before use. Also, for very heavy-duty industrial cleaning, it won't match commercial-grade machines. Overall, this is a versatile, budget-friendly steam cleaner that offers strong performance, large capacity, and multi-surface cleaning, perfect for deep cleaning your home without chemicals. Click the link below for the best price.